Students, today we discuss about tension in a string. What is tension in a string? Tension in a string is a force. A force which acts along the string is called tension in a string. यानी कि वो force जो किसी string के साथ act करती है, that is called tension in a string. It is represented by a letter T. इसे हम capital letter T से जो है वो represent करते हैं. Because tension is a force, so its SI unit is Newton. Okay, tension का SI unit क्या है? Newton है और it is a vector quantity. Okay, it is a tension in a string. Now we discuss the cases of tension in a string. There is a first case, vertical motion of two bodies attached to the ends of a string that passes over a frictionless pulley. Okay, there is a pulley on which two masses are passing, M1 and M2. His, we can see here M2 is heavier than M1, so it is moving downward. It is moving downward, weight is acting downward and tension is acting upward. Weight is moving downward, so acceleration is also acting downward. Okay, now body B, अब बॉडी बी की तरफ देखिए, वेट इज मूविंग अपवर्ड, सो वेट इज एक्टिंग अलॉन्ग टेंशन एंड टेंशन इज मूविंग, टेंशन इज अलॉन्ग द स्ट्रिंग. बॉडी इज मूविंग अपवर्ड, सो एक्सीलरेशन इज ऑल्सो अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन. Now we discuss here. Consider two bodies A and B of masses M1 and M2 respectively. Let M1 is greater than M2. The bodies are M1 and M2 attached to the opposite ends of an inextensible string. The string passing over a frictionless pulley as shown in the figure. The body A being heavier must be moving downward with some acceleration. Let this acceleration be A. At the same time, the body B attached to the other end of the string moving upward with the same acceleration A. As the pulley is frictionless, hence as tension will be the same throughout the string. Let the tension in the string is T. यानी कि जो स्ट्रिंग पे जो टेंशन है उसे हम T से रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Now, the force acting on a body A. Since the body A moves downward, hence its weight M1G is greater than the tension in the string. For body A, when weight is acting downward, so weight is greater than tension. Okay, the force acting on body A, F1 is equal W1 minus T. Because weight is greater than tension, so W1 minus T. F1 is equal M1A and W1 is equal M1G. Now the above equation become M1A is equal M1G minus T. Force on body A when as we know body B is moving upward. So tension is greater than W2. Okay, weight is less than tension. So the force acting on body B is F2 is equal T minus W. F2 is equal M2A and W2 is equal M2G. Hence, M2A is equal T minus 2G. It's become equation number 2. Students, learn it well. I hope you understand it. All the values now we can find acceleration and tension in our other video. Okay, students. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.